It feels great to be back after such a pause. Welcome to 2025, my friend. It's good to see you. And today we are making a holder for this lovely tape measure in the form of a challenge. I know you know that format already. I will have about 25 minutes to finish the design, so we'll see what is going to happen. And please say hi for me to the tongue in black. There's also something here that I have on my table, but on that in the later videos. Yes, it's the hook for you to stay. I don't have that much time anymore. This is just a reference, I would say inspiration. This is all the drawings of my daughter, and this one is mine where I expanded on the idea of my daughter here. So this is my prompt, and I'm also really curious how I'm gonna use these little drawings of my daughter, and by now it's already only 20 minutes. I really love working under time constraints. It makes you focus on what matters the most. Of course, you are now so curious about seeing the result. This is the pocket for the tape measure. As you can see, it's just a simple pocket. Looks like a smile, but essentially here you can see that shape of my daughter that just made, and now it's imprinted in this holder. Featuring my daughter's beautiful drawing, I'm curious what the shape reminds you. There are two holes for mounting it on the wall or a board. On the right side we have a circular cutout, and on the other side it's reversed to balance it, and yes, it's representing yin and yang. But it's also there because of this band, so it doesn't really fall out from the holder. Very simple design, but I quite like it, to be honest. And that's a way to get inspired by your daughter.